Okay, today we're gonna try to harvest the carrots that we planted in here. As you see, they're all grown, so we're gonna harvest carrots. So we're gonna do is pull it out. Pull the carrot out like that. And take out the leaves like this. Then we're gonna add this in our compost pile. This is not really gone in that well, but should still be able to eat that. Let's get this one. As you see, that's the carrot. So when you see the leaves start dying like that, you know the carrots are ready to be harvested. You can still leave them for a couple of weeks, but you just want to harvest and use them as much as you can. So before the end of the season, you have as much carrot as you want. These are the carrots. Okay, so this is a few of the carrots I've harvested from the garden. So